You just found out your spouse is cheating. You're shocked, you're angry, you're done. But before you act on emotion, you need a plan. Look, the reality is that infidelity triggers some of the most emotional divorces that we see. It's obvious that the person who was cheated on wants to have justice and control and quick answers. But it's important not to rush the process. Saying or doing the wrong thing can seriously backfire. And this is what Becky was writing in today. Dear attorneys, I'm putting together a Galentine's party for my friends. I decided to return some of the supplies that I bought, so I was checking the refund on my credit card. While I was looking at the recent charges, I saw a $200 charge to a local flower shop. I could tell that it was on my husband's card, not mine. I called the florist to confirm the details of my order. Doing so, I found out that the flowers are being delivered tomorrow on Valentine's Day to a woman I have never heard of. I'm livid. We didn't have a great marriage before this, and now I feel truly betrayed. What are the first steps I should take if I'm ready to file for divorce? Sincerely, betrayed Becky. First of all, Becky, you are not an asshole for wanting to do this, but don't let your emotions get the best of you and drive your next move. Now, over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly what steps to take after discovering infidelity and how to start your divorce from a place of clarity, not chaos. My name is Kristen Wolf. I'm a family law attorney here in the state of Connecticut. Here at Wolf & Shore Law Group, we help our clients get through their family law matters with clarity and confidence so that they can move on with their lives. So, Becky, I know you need to do something. I know that your instincts are screaming, file fast, take the kids, kick them out of the house, change the locks. But hear me out before you do any of that. Because what a lot of people do before coming and talking to us is they go on social media, they start telling family and friends, and it becomes a big chaotic issue. We even have people that start moving money around, start taking money out of the bank accounts, start threatening to remove the children from the house. They're just trying to get back in control, but they're doing it all wrong. Divorce court really isn't about drama. Connecticut is what we call a no-fault divorce state, which means neither of you needs to allege any fault to bring an action for divorce. And because of that, infidelity doesn't automatically entitle you to more custody, more assets, more money, nothing. And if you go scorched earth, you might look unstable or crazy, and that could really impact your ability and your credibility down the line. Unfortunately, we see this with our clients all the time. So I'm going to give you a little insight as to how we help our clients to navigate this situation appropriately. First step, take a breath, pause, and document everything. Gather the proof of infidelity, texts, receipts, in your case, the credit card statements. Those can all come in handy down the line in your divorce. But it's important not to escalate. Save it and give it to your attorney. Number 2, protect your assets. Make sure that you are aware of what your assets are, what their balances are, and you should even start printing off the most recent statements for those so that you have a starting point moving into your divorce. And number 3, talk to an attorney before you file. It's always going to be best to get some legal advice before you file for divorce. We know what we're doing. This is our job. We do this for a living. I know that finding out that your spouse has cheated on you is super painful and you really just want to react. But what you do next is so important. You need to stay calm and you need to call an attorney right away. Remember, your reaction is going to dictate how your case goes. So make sure you do it right from the start. So Becky, give our office a call. You can call us at 203-745-3151 or visit us at our website at www.wolfandshorelaw.com. Set up a consultation so that we can set you on the right path from the very beginning.